Hi guys, and welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to be showing you how to get passwords on your programs in Python. And for this tutorial I'm going to be using Python 3.74. It's the latest version currently. So to start off, in mine we're going to use time, so we need to import time. So next we're going to print this bit. You don't have to do. You're welcome. And please insert a username and password to continue. So we're going to do a variable to check. So we're going to use un for username. And we're going to go bracket, 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 bracket. In between these, we're going to do this. Use the little the bit in green, they don't matter, they can be whatever you like. The rest of it must be pretty much exactly what it is here. You can change it to your needs though. Input. Also guys, if you don't know how to use time, please look at the video in the description. It's really useful. So time means we can do this. Time.sleep 1. So now we'll go welcome, wait 1 second, and then it'll show the rest of it. So password equals same as above basically. Okay, right, so now we're going to do if username equals, put whatever you want for your username here. User name here. That's my username. Is that space? No. And then if pw equals password here, then a colon again. So you've got to choose one equal sign to say what it is, then two equal signs to say what it is. Oh yeah, right, so two equal signs for asking if username is the same as that, and that one is set username input. Don't mind that noise. Right, so they're both the same. We'll print correct. Now subscribe to perfect. So if this works, you lot are going to have to subscribe. Yep. Print error. Else, but I've one for both. Print error. Okay, right. Let's put it to the test. Let's quickly save it. Okay. Oh, it's opened a new one. Just give me a second. There we go. Right. So, welcome. Please insert a username and password. Also make sure you subscribe. Yeah. Okay, right. So the username is username here. Password is password here. Correct. Now subscribe to Go411. Right, now let's test it and get it purposely wrong. So let's go for wrong ever. See? Because that username wasn't correct, so it went to this one. If username was correct and password was wrong, it would go to this one. If they were both correct, it will go to the mid one. Right guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe and hit that like button if you enjoyed this and it helped you. I really like helping people, really fun. If you like more videos like this, leave it in the comments. Make sure you subscribe, what I just said basically. Yeah, see you later. Goodbye.